Good morning, all. Today is I don't even know what day it is, the 12th of September 2017. Uh, I did one trade today, one and done. It's not much more for one and done. It's more of a swing position type position um, that I traded today, and I started kind of very early today. I was watching the market. I woke up at I think 4 o'clock Central Time today, and then I was just watching, and that's kind of what gave me the idea to take this trade today because of notice that he wasn't really penetrating lower than where it is, and normally at 4 o'clock Central Time, the trend is normally pretty good, but I took kind of the counter trade and longed it, which essentially paid off. But there were other opportunities, so for me to trade. But actually, I just got off of work right now. I just got back from home, and I was holding this because I was looking to get to a higher level, like around. I was trying to target this 48.79 area. Didn't quite make it there. Went ahead and closed the position just because um, you could see it's kind of like just meandering back and forth from here. So I just flattened the trade is what I did. So I guess let me kind of talk about the rationale as to what I did here. So this is a 4-hour chart. As you can see, price action yesterday, you saw that there was this huge selling, and it just kept going. Suddenly, this candle right here, you know, completely reversed, and it held this level. It kind of held this level right here. It never went lower than that. So, and I mean that's kind of, I don't want to sound like Mr. Obvious, but but you could see it just didn't go any lower than this range right here. Let me see. Where's that low? 47 bucks. So it was trading around this level. So that's kind of what gave me the clue to take the long position. And then my entry was 47.84, I believe, which is that one. So I took that entry and then I rode this long, but the thing is I was expecting it to go to 48.80, 90-ish level, and I had my targets there. So so if you're a supply demand level kind of guy like myself, you're gonna wait for a pullback to buy it. And so where I bought from, or where I entered from, was the actual level of supply and demand, right? So you can see that it's very evident from here. Let me get a drawing tool going here. So you can see that's the level of supply and demand, and I don't know why it's not drawing, but there. So so there were two opportunities, I guess, to get in. Is what I'm trying to say. Is one is you have this, and then so it's kind of like a, call it a breakout, I guess, but it broke out at this level, this range. So this little micro level broke out of that one, and then it started trading, and then at the same time it it went back and tested that level and then came back up. So but at this, this time I was at work, I was working, and I just pretty much had my stop in place and my target in place. So when I got home today, I noticed it wasn't just really going anywhere. So my strategy is not really to hold anything overnight. So I just flattened it right there. So I figured it's already starting to make kind of a sideways action between 30 and 20. So I got out at the very closest, which is at 30. So I mean, if it goes higher, I don't feel bad, but I guess you take what you can get. So anyhow, I think that was all the rationale that I had, because the 4-hour chart was just, it was very strong. I mean, the buying was very strong. So so that's the reason why I took the opportunity and bought it there. And this was not a supply demand type level. it was me this morning watching the tape, and I noticed that at this time it's not much really. It's you could see the price is not going any lower than the 78s area, and so you could see you have explosive moves after that, because this is probably short covering. With all these people realizing they're wrong, they're starting to cover, and that's what helped push the price higher. I think is what happened today. So anyhow, that's it for me today. I'm gonna try again tomorrow. It's one of those, or maybe not tomorrow. I might skip tomorrow trade just because of the inventory report. But yeah, it's looking to me. It looks pretty good for a. Um, it looks really good for a bullish move here. I'm expecting this thing to go higher and push up. So anyhow, all right. Well, that's it for me today. I'm gonna keep this short. That was my rationale. That's why I took the trade. Hopefully you're gaining something from this. Until then, I'll see you on the next video. Take care.